2005 Acura TSX. Really nice car. Got one catalytic converter on it from the factory right there. Then we did one resonator delete right there, and it's over there. Then we left the second resonator on it. He's going to bring it back and take it off later on. Then it was into duals. There was two stock mufflers there, and we replaced them with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS right there and right there, as you guys can see. And then used his original tips there and there. I don't know where he put the mufflers. They're over there. So like always, that's what it looks like after. Two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS and a resonator delete, and left one resonator on. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Yeah, and share. Oh, that's perfect. That's a good idea. You left that one of the resonators on. It took that. You hear that? It took it almost all the way off. Again. There's sound decibels. 93. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. Acura TSX with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS, and one of the resonators deleted. The bigger resonator in the middle deleted. There she is.